Are you able to provide samples?
Yes, we are glad to provide sample orders for you to see our quality. Sample will be full price, which can be redeemed when placed official orders, and delivery cost shall be covered by the buyer.
Do you have OEM or ODM service?
Yes, we are happy to produce products based on your ideas. Please contact us with more details.
Do I need to place official order with the large quantities?
We accept small MOQ referred to specific products, but each item can only be shipped in a full carton. Small order quantities are always welcome to us, including wholesalers, retailers, or business beginners.
What is the lead time?
It is based on items with quantities and customized demands of orders. Please contact us immediately to get specific delivery time.
Can you run tools with my logo?
Yes, we can run tools with a logo with MOQ, such as laser marking, printing logo, customized package, and sticker on box.
What payment methods are available?
We accept TT, PayPal, and credit.
What are your pricing terms?
AllSupply will quote the default pricing term in EXW Taiwan. If you request any other terms, please inform us in your inquiry.
How long is the warranty provided?
We don't have any warranty for products, but if the defect was caused by us originally, we will send replacement.